Why is family important? I will give you 10 reasons why family is important. Number 1. Unconditional love. Family provides love without condition, accepting you for who you are, your flaws and all. They are your biggest supporter in good and bad times. Number 3. Sense of belonging. Family gives you a root to stand on, a place where you always feel welcome, reducing the feeling of loneliness and isolation. 4. Moral values and guidance. Parents and elders, they teach us honesty, kindness and responsibility, shaping us the character and the decision that we make. Number 5. Financial stability. Families often pool resources to help each other, whether for education, emergencies, or basic needs. 6. Safe space. Home is where you can be yourself without fear of judgment, a retreat from the outside world. 7. Shared memories. Families shared memories from vacation to simple dinners. Families create moments that you will cherish forever. 8. Accountability. Family will hold you accountable, encouraging you to grow and avoid harmful choices. 9. Celebrating success. Achievement feels sweeter when family cheers on you, whether it is a big graduation, a work promotion, or a small win. Number 10. Life's constant. In this changing world, families remain a steady foundation where you can always return to if you are lost along the way. Thank you for listening to our video. Kindly share this video with your friends and family so they can also know why family is so important.